DJA TV.
Tell people see you now. Yeah, start with yourself.
So now we are not pleading and begging the governor. Usually it campaign for us because it is the respect that we give the governor. That is why we are cool to make a peaceful demonstration. We are tired of giving up this MD. This MD has been ruling now since the time of Oshimole. So we say enough is enough. She must go.
She has been on Sibago 15 years. She must go.
Because
Etude must go. She must
go.
That's our stand.
Now
she must leave that seat.
Now we the workers of ETCS, that will employ us as a casual. We are the food union of Edo State that will employ us as a casual. People are here working for 15 years, 16 years as a casual. But we thank him, the excellency, the governor, who did it? Obaseki police, and you do Obaseki police, and he permanent did that. We thank him. That's why we are crying out for him to permanent us as a permanent and pensionable.
Yes. So you mean as it stand now, you are not a permanent staff of the ETCS?
Now, for many years, you renew your contract 2 years.
2 years.
That is why she drive on us. Driver will drive this big vehicle. For the past 4 years, and no promotion. No promotion for the past 6 years, no promotion.
Someone like me now.
Indicate as 11 years in bonus. We want our non-accident bonus for 10 years.
When we renew you, it is only 2,000 naira. Renew, that's how you do. We are tired of renew. We are tired of renewing of a contract. We are full union of Edo State. We want a permanent and pensionable job. And these are in place here. We always money is coming here every time. So we are tired. We are tired.
Okay, as you can see right now, protest rocks the entire axis of the ECTS, Edo City Transport Service, over no payment of their salary and salary arrears. They are clamoring for one Mrs. Eduge that has not paid their salary for the past 3 months. So these people are in pains and they are crying out for the government to come to their aid. Sir, please, what do you say about this whole situation?
Sir, we don't take up all those things. That is too much for us. Then the suffer was giving us now. We never money. Nothing at all. But this December now, all of us will cry since. Now contract we get every 2 years. Now we take the real contract.
How much do they pay for salary?
It's 32,000 naira. 32,000 naira. So charge everything. It's too much for us.
When be your due promotion date?
No promotion.
For the past 6 years, I'm 18 years in service.
18 years in service?
Yes. For now, the first on a seat, the whole 3 promotion.
So you've been stagnant for the past 6 years?
No promotion. No promotion. People are working, no seat, and no allowance. I'm working on stand under the tree. After 18 years, look at how well. I'm not anybody. I'm not stand. This class must be reformed.
We need the governor to reform ETCS. We need the governor to intervene fully. We need one governor, not one governor in Nigeria. So we respect him. We are crying for him.
ETCS must be reformed. Today, no salary, no more.
Okay, hold on. Go first. Abudu, let us address this issue.
Okay. I'm with you. Yeah, I'm with you. Carry on.
Carry on. One of us is wrong.
Interview this man again.
We have to dialogue with governor.
Go on. Hey, don't do man away.
Victoria Sata.
Saturday I was in forest. You know me, my blessed at home. Sorry, on Friday. So he said they're supposed to have been that payment Friday. Before we were using Access Bank. Now the payments are supposed to be made from Sterling Bank. So Sterling said that amount that they cannot pay once that's and there's a way so we need to do it.
Bag the bag.
Yeah, so we now said on Monday. This was on Friday discussion. I never knew this type of thing happened. Forestry manager, Mr. Erasmus was listening. Then John, we were all together. So the mechanic, the resource, and so we want to use this meeting to sincerely appeal. Sincerely appeal to each and every one of us.
From the government, sir. From the state house. I just came from the house now. I just called from Cracks in your life. I'm from a media house in Cracks in Nigeria. You're live now. I just came from my house now. Just go on, sir. This is a protest. You are free to protest. So everybody can feel you.
This is what last protest.
No. It's as far as already outside. It's general. We are taking it. No, you cannot say I should go. It's a general protest, sir. It's a general protest. Doesn't like family shout. These are these. No.
Yes! Okay, no. Thank you. God bless you. Thank God you are from the government. Okay, forget. You don't stop. Person now, we talk now. What I do? They tell us go work. We not go anywhere. They will give us. They will sack us out. They will say that that is the ATM at me. And they stop our money. It will step us. Our salary will carry on. We need our salary today.
If they don't pay us,
no work.
we need our December salary now.
Can you imagine? This is a war.
Yes, a good man.
Every 24 posts the salary. Even when we wear
Then they work on last one I'm saying. Every day banks still use
a business.
Look staff, look what is staff. You just clean up. That's the thing the whole district. No money for beds. And we don't have money to show you for most times.
When we resume,
Bros,
threaten our money.
wait, go join you. Just like say you turn the camera and face this man. When you late, nobody to buy bet. Poverty. When you late,
See worker. And no money to buy bet. Who waiting for the time with? All the time. I and my wife will always fight because there's no take home. And work without no take home. That's not right. Can you imagine I'm driving this big bus? You will allow me to travel. On my way going to Africa, you will never give me anything. On my way coming back, though our government is so technical, for saying that people should be using that card to enter this bus. That's a nice thing. What this company is supposed to have done is supposed to get at least one driver close. To say driver, you will not say driver, you take 500 naira. Okay, take 500 naira. That would be okay. You understand? When I was coming, I'm Robert tear my head here. You understand? She's more right to the top.
They're actually stopping the MD from leaving the premises. That's the AGM and I just drove off. They were trying to stop her from leaving the premises, but she has, as usual, left her people in pain. So these are ECTS drivers, staff and management clamoring for their salary to be paid.
Salary is not paid and they are not staffing us. They are using all like slaves. They are slaves.
Sunanga Zubairu Akaye. Zubairu Usman. Kare ina ne? Niger. Wani gari a Niger? Na'am?
Gauba Bangida.
Mene?
Gauba Bangida.
Gauba Bangida? Kurara. Okay. Kai ba me sunanka? Na'am?
Aliyu Sani.
Aliyu Sani ne kare ina ne? Dan Zamfara wani gari a Zamfara? Na'am? Bangudu. Me sunanka? Kare ina ne? Abubakar Imrana. Ɗan birnin Kebbi ne? Okay. Okay. Kai, me sunanka? Basharwa. Bashar Muhammad. Karen ina ne? Zamfara ina? Gusau cikin Gusau? Wannan unguwa? Na'am? Tudun wa?
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
People don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.